Hey guys, it's your girl Beauty with B, and I'm back with another video. Today I'm going to be showing you how to do your eyebrows. I'm using the brow pomade from the Crayon Case. The shade is dark brown. All you're going to need is an angle brush, a blending brush, and a spoolie. Also your concealer of choice. But before we get into that, make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe. Follow me on my social media. And let me know down below what y'all want to see next. So my voiceover is about to be all over the place, so just bear with me. So I got my spoolie. This is a brush by the Crayon Case. I'm just brushing my eyebrows into place. As you can see, I have none. And I'm going in with my brow pomade. I'm going to start with a line to the bottom. Then I'm going to do the top. And then I'm going to fill in. As you can see right here, I could have just stopped, but I love big eyebrows. I got a big forehead, so it compliments me well. Don't talk about me. I did my lines, and now I'm gonna go ahead and fill in. When you're filling in at the beginning, you want to go very light with your strokes. You want your eyebrow to be very natural. Now I'm taking my spoolie and just blending everything in with my real brows and the pomade. After that, I'm going to come in with my LA Girl Pro Concealer in the shade Espresso and clean everything up. Give it a nice arch. You know, make it look like it was waxed, but it's not. I don't have that much brows, so I do not get waxes at all. Like, look the difference. No brow to big brows. Winning. When applying your concealer, you always want to use a shade or two lighter underneath, and you can use a shade lighter also for the top. But normally what I like to do is use my foundation and just clean the top up. I hate a bright line above my eyebrows, but if you like it, you can do it. I know y'all probably like, OMG. But at this moment, This is a very important time to like fix all your mistakes you make. After that, I just came in with my blending brush and I'm gonna blend it all in. When I'm doing a full face, I just take the concealer from under my eye and bring it down to my eyelid. But in this, I'm just showing you how to do your brow. And that's it. It's not hard. Your eyebrows never have to be twins. Right here is like once you do your eyebrows, it's like you give yourself a mini facelift. It may just be me, but try it out and let me know down in the comments what you think about it. Also, let me know what y'all want to see next. And I'm just showing y'all the points where your eyebrow gonna end, where it start, and where your arch should be at. And these are my brows. Right here, all I'm doing is preparing for a whole nother video. But let me know down below what y'all think. Give me feedback. And yeah, make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe. Share this video with your friends. I'm out, y'all. Bye.